Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on your LED flash notifications on your iPhone. So whenever you get a notification, your flash will go off. So to do this, all you have to do is go over to your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down to where you see accessibility. Just go ahead and click on accessibility. Once you're in accessibility, you just want to scroll down until you see audio/visual. Once you find that, just click on that. And then at the very bottom here under visual, you'll see LED flash for alerts. You just want to go ahead and enable that. And then whenever you get a phone call or a notification, your LED will then flash and go off as well. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys where to change this setting. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.